Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You're such a nice new road. You come to my shop. Luigi take a good care of you, even though you're not a Ferrari.
It was through St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Peter, makanan yang tersangkut di tenggorokan itu berbahaya karena membuatmu tidak bisa bernafas.
Bagaimana cara menggerakkan benda ini? Coba Hana ada di sini.
Kembali kalian!
Hah?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen hoy que es el más verde?
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen. No, you are not winning.
You're angry.
I am not angry.
You know,
natuurlijk de brute bulldozer. Wel rusten.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
Little bit of training.
It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed by the one who activated it?
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this delinquent road hazard to traffic court.
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMee.
I hereby dub the
Hey, McQueen, that must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it, because I didn't do it!
Terima kasih, Carly. Senang melihat semuanya berjalan lancar di dermaga.
Benar, Thomas.
I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
You have disabled an ambulance. You are on fire. Danger.
I made that stolen fella a Texas size offer.
So, ready to start?
Wah,
Okie dokie.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will...
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.